Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So this is website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. And this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme WaterForce WB12G. Then click on the product. Then click on the name of the product. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Scroll down, then this is your driver and this is download icon. Just click to download. It will start downloading in the download box. So after it is completed 100%, and then click on three dot which is corner right hand side, and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.